That's our room at the Westin. We got ourselves a king size bed. We got a nice TV and a nice seating area. You get a couch to sit on, a little table. The couch is kind of comfy. And then there is definitely some USB power points and drawers. A bed with nice fancy lighting above it. And get yourself included is some water. There's obviously a coffee machine. You get a minibar fridge where you stoked it up. There's your typical wardrobe. There is a safe as well. And then you get your bathroom. There's no separate door on the toilet, but we do get a nice looking shower. The door's really heavy on the shower. And then you get a little nook to put all your stuff. Your shower head. It's a fancy one. You even get a second one. Oh, the echoiness when I come into there. But look, you get fancy gowns if you want to wear them. And that's pretty much the room, but we've got one more thing to do, and that is the bed test. So, what is the bed and the pillows like? Ready? Oh, the bed's nice and soft, and then the pillows. Bounce back. Oh, they might be a bit soft, the pillows, but there's a couple of them, so you'll be alright. Get extra blankies. So overall, the room isn't bad. Well, it's actually quite nice. Carpet's nice and soft. And then we got a brilliant balcony room with a great view. Not sure about that. So the rooftop bar is pretty cool. You can see Disney from up here. And no, I've been eating tomatoes, it's just the heaters. As soon as you have a drink or a bev, you won't even need the heater at all. And there's the bar. So, gonna go have a drink. So, I'll speak to you again. Ciao. What time is it? It's bar o'clock. Food's arrived. Guess what time it is? It's swim o'clock. We've done the spa, and boy, that water is hot. But it's now swim o'clock, so we get to go for a swim in the pool. And I've got it to myself. Travelled for 24 hours, flew all the way from Australia into LA and then to Anaheim, and I have the pool at the Westin to myself. Hey, whoa, I just did a piece to video saying I've got the pool to myself. What are you doing? It's my pool. Wait, stay at the Westin.
Westin or JW Marriott?
No Marriott. I'm sorry, the Westin's the winner. I mean, there's a few things that are different. You can't have a bath at the Westin. Well, you can have a bath at the Westin, you just got to book a different room. But we don't have a bath in ours. Kind of like this place. So yeah, I mean, I got the pool to myself apart from those three losers. yeah, definitely. I'll stay here. Now, I'm being very careful because this camera is not the waterproof one, so if it falls in, we're all screwed. There'll be no video, which you probably appreciate. Yeah. Cool.